Hello everyone, I'm Shabari from hookedandloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. I am back with a fabric jewelry tutorial for you, and today's neckpiece is based on the Durga Puja. So we have cut out the locket in the shape of a Kulo and painted a Durga Goddess portrait on it and decorated the neckpiece with Kori's jute tassel and thread beads. So let's begin the tutorial. So I have taken a cardboard and cut it out in the shape of a Kulo, and I have taken a slightly bigger sized cotton fabric and stuck it to the cardboard using the fabric glue. So we will spread the glue on the surface of the cardboard, okay, and stick it to the cotton fabric. Okay, now we will be working on the back side of the cardboard. So turn your work, and then we will cut the cotton fabric along the edges in this manner. Okay, so we will cut out like this throughout the borders, and then we will stick each and every cutout portion to the cardboard using the fabric glue. Okay, so I have added the glue to every portion, and we are sticking it one by one to the cardboard. Okay, once all the portions are stuck to the cardboard, we will allow our work to dry for a while, and then we will make the outline of the portrait in this manner and start painting it based on our imagination. Okay, so let's paint it, and we will meet you at the end of the painting.
Our painting is more or less complete. We will do little bit of finishings and then we will start decorating the locket. So for the border of the kulo we will be sticking jute twine to it. Okay, so I have added a bit of fevicryl to the border and started sticking the jute twine along the border. In this manner we will stick it along the border. And then we will cut out the extra portion at the end. Okay, we will let this to dry for a while and then we will stick the red colored jute twine in the inside border in the same manner. Okay, so add the glue in the inside border and start sticking the red colored jute twine.
After sticking it, we will cut out the extra portion as earlier, and we will allow our work to dry for a while. And when it's dried more or less, we will be decorating the lower portion with a couries. So I have already made a hole at the bottom and passed the jump ring through it. Now we will pass the jump ring through the hole in the couries, and we will just close the opening with the pliers. Okay, in this manner we have attached the couries at the bottom. Now we will be making the jute tassels. So take the jute twine and fold it in this manner. Okay, the length depends on your choice. Just fold it up like this, and when it's done, we will take silk threads, okay, and along the inside of the jute tassel we will add little bit of glue at the near end, and then take the thread and just stick it to the glue, and then just wrap it up in this manner. Wrap it up so that the inside portion of the jute is not visible, like this. And when you have reached the desired thickness, just cut out the thread and stick it, okay, using the fabric glue in this manner. In the same way, we will be sticking a different colored thread beside it. So I have taken a green colored thread and started wrapping it up just beside the yellow portion in the same manner, okay. And in this manner we will be wrapping the other threads also, okay, like this. Cut out the extra portion and stick it as earlier, and our jute tassel is nearly ready. We will just cut it at the end like this. Similarly cut on the other side also. Okay, in this manner the jute tassel is also ready. We will now stitch up the jute tassel to the locket on the top. Like this. Okay. So stitch it up and tie a knot at the back in the manner I am showing you. And then just cut out the extra portion of the thread, okay, like this. So the jute tassel is also attached to the locket. Now we will be attaching two jump rings on the top portion of the jute tassel through which we will be passing the string. So take the jump ring and pass it through the thread portion of the jute tassel in this manner, and just close the jump ring using the pliers. Do the same thing on the other side of the jute tassel also. So the jump ring is also attached. Now we will be passing the string through the jump ring. I have made the string myself. I have just crocheted the string using chain stitches. Okay, if you want the tutorial, comment in the comment section. Similarly, pass the other string through the other hole and decorate it with the thread beads. I have a tutorial on making these thread beads, so I will be attaching the link in the description box, so check it out. Okay, So just pass all the thread beads through the string and your necklace is finally ready. And with this, our tutorial has come to an end. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. If you want to see any kind of videos, then please mention that in the comment section. I have a website at www.hookedinloops.com, so check it out. You will get my crochet patterns there. Apart from fabric art and clay art, I also do crochet tutorials, so you will love my channel. So please subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Have a great day.